Hello, Dexter. Are you tired, my love? Garden tayo today. Habang may sikat ang araw, habang hindi umuulan. Ang aking taga-cut ng grass is so busy cutting the grass today. Kanyang lawn na pagkaganda-ganda. Hindi nanghihinayang sa petrol sa cutting grass na yan. Walang ibang ginawa kundi mag-cut ng grass. Puro cut ng grass, cut ng grass. Ako'y maghahalong cut ng wildflower kasi ang ganda niya, as in. Ilagay ko sa pot. Are you helping mommy? Is Victor helping mommy? Oh, kissing mommy. Oh, kissing mommy. Oh, kissing. Are you kissing mommy? Ganda ng araw pero buyag. Let's put that one there. Let's check what's growing in this area. I'm gonna put a very big pot. I got a very big pot to put in here. This is like a sundial, but I'm gonna put a big pot in here instead because it's so heavy and it's nice. Bluebells are growing in this area. See, this flower is a perennial plant. It looks massive, but I don't know what is the name of this plant. So we will find out once it flower, if what is the color. But so many brambles, honestly. They're so annoying. And there is a peony. I just saw a peony. I hope this peony is nice. There's a peony, but it will not really flower because the sun is not here. We're gonna cut this tree one day once the door is fixed, because the door is not yet fixed. I don't want to see the door there when it's not yet fixed. Magtanim ay di biro, maghapong nakayuko, di naman makatayo, di naman makaupo. I think this is a flowering blackcurrant as well. The apple has so many flowers this year. Dexter is just resting. I'm resting, mommy. I'm resting. Shall we go inside? Let's go inside.